Après la visite de la Croix-Rouge,
After the visit of the Red Cross, a few days later,
j'ai été
they called me
à
again
nouveau pour une autre session de
for another
torture
torture session
à l'Académie
in the
militaire.
War Academy.
Alors tout avait
Then
changé.
everything had changed.
C'était pas le même
It was
parcours.
not the same topography.
Des jours s'étaient
The
passés,
days
c'était
had
mieux
passed and
organisé.
they were better organized.
Bien sûr, on
Of
a
course, as
toujours au
always,
stock,
they took me to the stock
premier hall,
first
tout le monde
room,
par terre.
everyone on the ground.
Ils nous marchaient.
They beat me while I waited for my turn to torture. Just 10 minutes later, they called me. So, in a large room where I had already been tortured before,
Je me rappelle pas
there
si
were now 6 or 8 small cabins, small plywood cabins. Of course, they were contiguous, one next to the others. They were small cabins where they put you on the floor. With your head and feet, you could touch both sides of these cabins. A table, a chair, that was the torture
Je
factory.
me rappelle qu'il y avait
I remember that at a moment I could see through the blindfold.
il y avait des posters
There were posters, big posters taped
au mur
to the walls,
en anglais,
everything written in English,
en disant quels étaient les coups.
indicating the blows to give during the torture.
Ça m'a...
Everything in English. I was impressed.
en anglais,
This works anywhere. In English, they can be used in different countries. The profitability of the poster.
on a commencé à
During this session in the War Academy, they began to ask me other type of questions. Questions about Ángeles Armenteros.
Oui, c'était quelqu'un
Well,
que je connaissais, mais
it was someone I knew, but like this, only from afar. I did not understand. I understood this only years later. Questions about Ángeles Armenteros, who introduced me to the Navy as if I hadn't already told them that it was the fascist Max von Brandt.
voilà,
This was my second visit to the War Academy. It had become an industry, the torture industry, the interrogation industry. Everything was more organized.
tu posais...
And there was not only that,
Il y avait aussi,
there was also torture for fun.
j'oublierai jamais,
I will never forget a person,
bonhomme
a bastard,
malheureux appelé Guillermo.
named Guillermo Morera.
C'était un élève.
He was a student of the Universidad Santa Maria. It had seemed strange to me since he was too old to study.
S'était inscrit pour faire des
He had
études
signed
d'ingénieur
up to
électronique.
study electronic engineering.
Alors lui, voilà, je le
So
trouve
here
habillé
I find him
C'était
there,
officier
dressed as
de la
an
marine.
officer. He was a naval
Lui, à
officer,
l'université, avant le
went
coup
to the
d'État,
university
pour
to
faire des
prepare a list before the coup.
C'était un membre de Patria et Libertad.
He was a member of the Patria y Libertad Party, the Chilean fascist party at that time.
Et lui, il m'a
He tortured me at the Lebu. They took me at a small cabin. There were many who passed through these small cabins. There were 4 or 5 being bandaged. There they tortured me by hanging by the hands. Electricity on testicles, gums, ears, always the same. Anus and electricity, and their laughter, and laughter at each spasm. It was the horror of obscurantism carried over to the 20th century.
Les jours ont continué à passer.
The days continued to pass.
Et un jour, je me
And
rappelle
another
qu'il y a un
day,
officier
I remember that when
nous amenait
they
au port
took
pour faire
us
des
up
travaux, ils nous
on the
mettaient
ship
par terre comme
deck
ça,
to maintain the barrels,
et
I was on the ground without being able to see
il
him.
y a un marin
And a marine
qui m'a dit, je t'ai
told
vu
me, I saw you
quand tu as été torturé au
when you were
Salinas.
tortured in Salinas.
Alors ils ont pris ta femme.
Then they took your wife,
Et là,
and she
il
had
a
a seizure of epilepsy.
Et voilà. Il
He was trying to convey information. I wondered if he was doing this to tease me, to help me, to laugh. I don't know.
J'ai envie de vous raconter
I want to tell you two things.
d'une part,
On the one
je
hand,
pense que
I think that
le
not
monde n'a pas été
everyone
torturé
has
pareil.
been tortured the same.
c'est un tel tabou.
It's a taboo
Parler
subject
de
to
torture,
talk
mais
about torture.
Je pense qu'il y a 4
But
groupes.
I think there are 4 groups, people who have been tortured more savagely than the others.
Premier, les femmes.
Women first.
À cause du machisme,
Due to the prevailing sexism at that time,
une
a
énorme
large number of women were raped. But not only raped,
torturée
also
sexuellement.
sexually tortured.
Pas seulement sexuellement, torturée en tant
They
que
got
femme.
tortured as women.
Ça me vient à l'esprit
2 stories came to mind.
2 filles
2 girls.
qui s'appellent Margarita. Toutes les
They
deux.
were both called Margarita.
Une
One who told me
m'a raconté ça
about it
en arrivant en
when
Algérie.
she arrived in
Elle a trouvé
Algeria.
des épingles de cheveux
Metal
dans
harpings
l'utérus.
were found in her uterus,
Produit des
and she
tortures, il
had
a
to
fallu l'opérer.
undergo surgery. It is inexplicable, difficult to imagine.
Margarita. Elle est partie au Danemark.
Another Margarita went to Denmark. In addition to being raped, they put rats in her
Elle se
vagina.
réveillait en sang.
She woke up bloody. The rats attacked her from the inside.
Les femmes ont souffert.
Women have suffered the inimaginable.
Un autre groupe
Another group
qui a
that has
souffert
suffered more than the others
c'est les marins.
are the Marines,
Marins,
the constitutional Marines. They were against the military coup.
ils ont commencé à s'organiser avant le coup d'État.
They began to organize before the coup to reach against the coup.
Et ils ont été découverts.
They were
C'était pas
discovered.
beaucoup, une centaine.
They were like 100.
Et ils ont été découverts.
They were discovered in August.
Et un mois
And
avant le
a
coup
month
d'État,
before
eux,
the
ils ont
coup,
commencé
they
à
began
subir
to
les
suffer
tortures
the
les plus
most
difficiles.
inexplicable tortures.
Théoriquement,
In
personne
theory,
savait, mais
before the
on
coup,
savait que
no
ils
one
étaient-
knew they were incarcerated, but we knew
officiers
they
se sont
were
amusés
in jail.
à faire
The
des
officers had
Par exemple,
fun doing amazing
faire
things.
plus de
For
tours
example,
avec un
who
homme,
could
le tour
twist
comme ça,
more and
de la
turn
tête,
a
des
man?
pieds,
Thus,
un tour d'un
some
côté,
took
le tour de
them by the
tour
shoulders,
de
others
tour.
took them by the
les
feet,
os
like
se
this. You turn,
8 tours.
you turn, and the bones are broken. 8 laps were
vivants
made
encore en
with
Belgique.
some. Some have managed to
ils ont
survive.
souffert
They live in
ici.
Belgium. They have suffered
traîtres
unspeakably,
à l'armée.
treated as true traitors of the
Il y a un
army.
autre thème.
Then there were
Vous
2
parlez de
other
4.
groups. I had told you about 4 groups
Je veux dire
that
que c'est
were
les
the
deux
most
extrêmes
tortured. The other 2
de
are the 2
l'arc-en-ciel,
extremes of the Chilean racist
chilien.
rainbow.
C'est tabou.
It is a taboo subject. In Chile, Chileans are convinced that we are all nice, that everything is going well. This is not true.
C'est un
It is a
peuple qui
people
nage à
that
l'intérieur
live
d'un arc-en-ciel.
swimming
Pourquoi je dis arc-en-ciel?
within a rainbow. Why do I say rainbow?
Comment vous
How to
expliquer?
explain
On va
it to
prendre
you?
l'exemple.
Take France, for example.
France.
In 1810,
1810,
France
la
had a
France
population
avait 30
of
millions d'habitants.
30 million. In the year
La France avait
2010, France had a
60
population of approximately 60 million. That is to say that in 200 years, its population has doubled. In Chile, in 1810, the year of independence, there were only 110,000 Chileans. Chile stretched from the north to the center of the actual Chile.
Dans leur terrain.
The rest were Indians,
Et des Indiens, il y avait
1,100,000.
200
200 years later, those 110,000 Chileans have become 17 million Chileans
L'année
today.
2000, on était l'année
The
73,
year
on
73,
était
there were 10 million Chileans.
Comment
How
on
it
peut
is
passer de
explained
110
that
à 10
in
millions,
200 years France
la France
has
multipliée
multiplied
par
by
deux,
2,
multipliée
and that
par
in Chile
150.
we had multiplied the population
dire
by
qu'au Chili,
150.
les Chiliens, ils ont une
Thus,
fertilité
that means that Chileans have enormous fertility.
La croissance
No
de la
way.
population,
Population growth
par une
was
immigration
accomplished through controlled
volontaire
immigration, huge
des
voluntary
différents
immigration.
gouvernements
Most
depuis
Chilean governments
1830,
from 1830 20 years after independence, until the 1900 open immigration offices in France. There were offices in Paris, in Bordeaux, offices anywhere in different European countries to invite people to immigrate to Chile. They were paid for the trip. It lasted 3 months at that time. And when they arrived in Chile, they were given land. The army accompanied them and said, "Do you see the mountain there? All this land is yours." And they gave them weapons. "You will have to defend yourself from the Aborigines." There were different groups of natives. For example, the Onas, who had pointed ears. The state paid a sum in exchange for a pair of ears. This is how the Chilean population grew, in a continuous fierce struggle between the armed force representing a minority of Europeans and various indigenous groups. So, all Chileans are the product of a centuries of long and gradually diverse exile. There are some Chileans who are 100% of European origin, coming from recent immigrants. Others who are of older, more mixed origin. So each Chilean finds that there are some Chileans with lighter eyes, and also that there are other poor Chileans more Indian than him. Even more so that all these European immigrants have brought with them artisan techniques, even industrial techniques, and therefore they have become dominant minorities. You are beautiful and you have blue eyes. Then you are rich. You are poor. You have dark skin. You are ugly. And then you suck. Here's the rainbow. All of this must be incorporated in order to understand what was happening during the torture. The comrades, who had more Indian blood, which was reflected in their faces, were tortured more violently by these racist and fascist officers of rather European origin. And even in the other way around, the more European light-skinned Chileans were automatically considered traitors to the fascist officers. It is this prism that must always be kept in mind if you wish to fully understand the mechanism of horror. During the 17 years of dictatorship from 1973 to 1990, the repression was really massive, very massive. In a small country that in 1973 had only 10 million inhabitants, there were 3,500 murdered, of which 1,500 disappeared, enforced disappears. There were 200,000 tortured, according to my estimates. I made the calculation with 170 detention lanes on average in detention centers multiplied by the 1,178 detention centers that were listed and numbered by human rights organizations. 200,000 then became 400,000 according to United Nations estimates, to which must be added 30,000 exonerated. This term exonerated is incredible. Exonerated from what? These are the ones who have been kicked out of their jobs and banned from working. All this in a country where, at that time, there were only 100,000 expatriates living abroad at the time of the coup. And then, right now, we end up with 1 million expats. 1 million to 10 million. It's 10%. This is huge. The Lebu was not the only prison ship in Chile. In Valparaíso, in addition to Lebu, there was the Maipo, there was the Esmeralda. And then there was the Andalien too.
pas seulement ça, c'est que les gens croient que
People think that using boats is a coincidence, but for the fascists, these are acts of war. They remember the prison ships that existed before Chilean fascism.
même en Espagne,
Even in Spain, there was a ship, the Cabo Carboeira, there on the Guadalquivir River,
c'est
where there were 60,000 dead.
60 000 morts. Et puis,
Then in
en
Germany,
Allemagne aussi,
also
pendant le
during
fascisme
German
allemand,
fascism,
il y a eu le
there was the Deutschland,
il y a eu le Cap
the Cap
Arcona,
Arcona,
le Aden, le Tielbeek,
the
c'était des
Tielbeek.
bateaux où il y
There
avait
were
des
ships
milliers de personnes
where thousands of people were imprisoned.
bombardées,
They were bombed
sans savoir que c'était des
by the British, unaware that they were prison ships. All they all drowned
en 45.
in 1945.
Et puis, même à l'heure actuelle,
And even today, there are people who remember these ships, and in memory of all the dead of Spanish fascism, of German fascism, they make models, just as we made a model of Lebu, shown in the Valparaiso Cultural Park. They also made models of these ships.